Hi, I'm Chris Wolf, and this is my Open House videocast. I'm excited to meet all of you at Open House this year, but because I get very little time to talk to you, I thought I'd make this video to give you a little more information about me and the classes I teach at Vernon Hills High School. The first thing I'd like to show you is a little bit of background about myself. First of all, if you need to contact me, it's best to email me at chris.wolf@don28.org. You can also leave me a voicemail by calling this phone number, but I try to return voicemails within 24 hours, but emails will be returned much faster. You can also keep up with us and what's going on in class by following me on Twitter. Here I like to post pictures of our students doing lab investigations and other exciting class activities. This year I'll be teaching both AP Biology and Biology Honors, and later in this video I will give you a chance to learn a bit more about those specific classes your biologist is in. Next, let me talk a little bit more about myself. This will be my 19th year teaching, and I have been at Vernon Hills High School for 17 of those years. I've taught a variety of subjects, but biology is really my passion. My bachelor's degree is from the University of Illinois in Urbana-Champaign in the teaching of biology with a minor in secondary education. I also have a master's degree in curriculum and instruction from the Concordia University of Chicago. Finally, I would like to introduce you to my family. My wife, Lisa, and I live in Libertyville with my two wonderful daughters, Kylie and Tessa. Lisa is a first grade teacher at Butterfield Elementary School, and Kylie and Tessa both attend Adler Park School. Kylie is in 4th grade, and Tessa is in 2nd. You can find us out and about in downtown Libertyville when we are not at soccer practices or dance recitals. Now, I'd like to talk to you a little bit more about the classes I teach. Hello, AP Biology parents. Thank you for watching this portion of my Open House video on AP Biology. I first want to let you all know how excited I am to have the opportunity to teach AP at Vernon Hills High School. We have a long history of achieving great things in many of our AP courses, and I am hopeful to do the same in AP Biology. Let me show you how to get to my AP Biology website. First, go to my website, www.mrwolfscience.com, and find the link for AP Biology under the menu. On this page, you'll see a calendar and several resources for AP Biology. The main thing I'd like to show you is the course syllabus for our class. First, the course goals. I can't emphasize enough that this course is meant to be equivalent to a college-level introductory biology course. Your child will be reading from a college-level textbook, doing college-level labs, and be required to put in the same time and effort that would be expected at the university. The curriculum centers itself around 4 big ideas in biology, but also focuses on thinking scientifically using 6 science practices. We'll be using 2 major resources, our college-level textbook and an AP exam test prep book that they will be getting later in the school year as we get closer to the AP exam. This is a list of supplies that your AP biologists will need for this year in class. It is essential that they stay organized, so I highly recommend that they use a class binder. These are the 8 units we'll be covering before the AP Biology exam and the potential assessment dates. These are the 8 units recommended by the College Board, and I'll be following them with a few minor tweaks along the way. Due to the nature of science class and many of the labs that we do, the assessment dates are flexible and are always subject to change. The AP exam will be in May, and I will send out more information about the exam as we get closer to that date. You can read over the assessments and grades, but one thing I'd like to point out is that grades will be weighted in this course. 35% of your child's grade will be based on labs and assignments, 5% on reading quizzes, and 60% on assessments. The progress checks they'll be assigned are not part of your child's grade. They are meant to gauge their understanding and inform me about the content that needs to be covered in more detail. These progress checks are AP exam style multiple choice and free response questions and are a great way to prepare for the AP exam. Finally, I want to point out that every student will have the opportunity to complete mastery assessments for every unit assessment we take throughout the school year. These mastery assessments are meant to help not only improve their grade, but also help master the material which will be essential for their success in the AP Biology exam. I am really excited for a fun year in AP Biology and look forward to seeing your child succeed in this challenging yet rewarding course. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out, and again, look forward to meeting you all soon. Thanks for watching.